see, as I see that we are all accountable, even in an eternal perspective. And that thought alone is very beautiful to me. That thought alone has so much meaning for me. Kaya ganado po ako tuwing umaga, masakit ang katawan, nasobrahan ng kain, kulang ng exercise, at puyat. Kasi naniniwala ako may patutunguhan tayo. So, dahil sa patutunguhan natin, na nandyan nakalaan sa atin, it humbles me. It humbles me to think that I am playing a role in the journey together. Sabi po ito po hindi naman to sa adjudication, no, Howie, kaya pwede ko pong sabihin ito. Sabi ni Haring David, sino ba ako na tao na linagay mo sa kinalalagyan ko? So, it humbles me and it allows me to remember that I am mortal every day of my life. This power, these things people call power, they will all be gone. And there is accountability, and it is good. As I had said before in my public interview, I'm just looking forward to the day when I will hear the words, "Well done, good and faithful servant." So maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Madam Chief Justice. Thank you also to our panel, Ms. Lucy Cruz Valdez, Mr. Howie Severino, Attorney J.J. Atienza, Mr. Edu Punay, Ms. Donna Cueto, Ms. Ina Reformina, Ms. Tach Torres, Ms. Maria Reza, Ms. Linda Humilia, Attorney Reggie Tongol, Ms. Cristina Vendaño, Mr. Anjo Alimario, Mr. Michael Flores, Attorney Mel Santa Maria, and Ms. Lia Manialac del Castillo. So perhaps you can end with a group picture with all of the panelists, with the Chief Justice. Thank you very much. And thank you also for everyone who stayed, all the crew who worked